Hello friends and welcome back to another video class. In this video, we shall understand articles which are basically A, N and D. We will have a basic overview of this article section. So without a further go, let's get started. So dear viewers, before starting the video, there are some questions which need to be answered first to understand the chapter very clearly. The first question is that what are articles? Articles are words that are used before nouns and that modifies nouns basically. As they give us more information about the nouns, they can function sometimes as adjectives in the sentence. Articles define whether a noun is used in specific context or in general context. And as you all know, there are three types of articles. The first one is a, the second one is an, and the third one is the. Now, dear viewers, these articles are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's look into that now. Articles are categorized in two types. The first one is definite articles and the second one is indefinite articles. Article the comes in the category of definite article, as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Article a and an comes in the category of indefinite articles, as it does not show uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it says that the thing is being said in general. Now, let's look into some example sentences to understand it in a better way. Suppose there is a group of apples in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat any one of this group of apples, then what will you say? You will say that I want to eat an apple from the group of apples. Now suppose you want to eat a specific apple from the group of apples. Let's say the first one. So how will you say? You will say that I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apples. You can notice over here how we have used the for a specific purpose and an for some generalized purpose. You can also notice that we have used an and not a for pointing an apple in general context. Let's understand why we have used an and not a over here. So how to decide where to use a and where to use n? Basically, there are 26 letters in English, and out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. As we know, 5 vowels are a, e, i, o, u, and 21 consonants are b, c, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, q, r, s, t, v, w, x, y, z. If a word begins with a vowel sound, n is used, and if a word begins with a consonant sound, a is used. Please note, we have to check vowel sounds and consonant sounds at first. Let's look into some examples where we have used n before a word. So the first example is that an ant. The second example is an enemy. The third example is an ice cream. The fourth example is an orange, and the last example is an hour. So please look at the word hour. Notice the word hour starts with a letter H, that is a silent letter over here. So the word starts with a vowel sound, so n is used before the word hour. Let's look into some other examples where we have used article a before a word. So the first example is a boy, a woman, the third one is a horse, and last one is a book. This all starts with a consonant sound, so that we have used a over here. Let's look into some words which starts with a vowel letter but the starting sound is of consonant. So the first example is a European, the second one is a university, and the third one is a 1 rupee note. That's pretty much about articles in this video. So I hope I'm clear with the article section. So if you have any other query regarding this article section, you are welcome to write it in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.